Presenting the 2008 Lincoln MKZ. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, this car has separate passenger temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the extras. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.